In front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and tapping on Photos or Albums at the bottom. After you decided from where you wanna delete your photos, hold one you wanna get rid of, and either hit Select All at the top right corners, or click on this icon at the top right corner to pick all of them. To keep some, click on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!